the most insane, faceless YouTube channels out there. The ones where you never even see the creator's face. We are going to break down exactly how they do it step by step.
So get this channel only started posting 4 months ago, and they have already skyrocketed past 58,000 subscribers. I mean, that is just explosive growth, plain and simple.
But here's where it gets really wild. In that super short time, with just 26 videos, they pulled in over 2.5 million views. It's like almost every single thing they post just takes off. And the result of all those views? Well, according to industry estimates, this channel is pulling in over $9,000 a month. A month, just from ad revenue. And the most shocking part? Every single video is made entirely with AI.
So what's the secret sauce here? It's a simple, repeatable AI system. With this system, each video takes less than 15 minutes to make. And now, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you that exact copy and paste system.
Look, getting results like this isn't about luck. It's a blueprint, and it's totally replicable. It's all built on just a few key AI tools that work together perfectly. So let's start by looking at the toolkit you'll need.
What's really amazing is just how simple this toolkit is. It's really just 4 main tools. You've got ChatGPT, which is basically the brain of the operation. It does all the writing. Then you have Whisk, an AI image generator that acts like your personal artist. For the voice, the system uses ElevenLabs for its crazy realistic audio. And finally, CapCut is the video editor that stitches it all together.
All right, first things first, you need a channel, right? But forget about spending days or weeks trying to get the branding perfect. This part can literally be done in minutes, so you can get right to making content.
And this process is so fast it's almost silly. First, you ask ChatGPT to brainstorm some channel names. Then, you tell it to write image prompts for your logo and your banner. You literally just copy those prompts and paste them directly into Whisk. And bam, just like that, your entire channel's branding is done.
Now, let's get to the heart of it. Creating the actual viral video. This is where the magic really happens, and it's a super efficient production line.
The whole process breaks down into these 5 super simple stages. You start with the idea, you write the script, you make the visuals, you generate the audio, and then you just put it all together.
Okay, this part right here is a golden nugget. Don't guess what people want to watch. Find out what they're already watching. I mean, if millions of people have already watched a video on a certain topic, they're probably going to watch another one. So you look at your competitors, find their most popular video titles, and you feed those right into ChatGPT to get fresh ideas on proven concepts.
Once you've got your topic, ChatGPT can write the entire script for you. But listen, this is probably the most important part of the whole process. You have to make it sound human. Read it out loud, tweak a few lines, add your own personality. The AI gets you 90% of the way there, but that last 10%, that human touch, is what makes someone hit subscribe. So, with your script polished up, you then get ChatGPT to generate image prompts for every scene. And they don't have to be complicated at all. Really simple, descriptive prompts like this one. A young student, focused, studying in a dimly lit library, cinematic style. That's all it takes to get absolutely stunning visuals.
And here's what makes Whisk a total game changer for this. It's got this amazing consistency feature. You make your first image, and then for every single image after that, Whisk uses that first one as a style guide. This means your character and the whole visual feel stays consistent from start to finish, which is so crucial for telling a good story. For the voiceover, ElevenLabs is the absolute go-to. Their AI voices are just unbelievably realistic. You just copy and paste your final script in. The source material actually recommends using the voice Adam to get that calm, inspirational tone. But really, you can just pick whatever voice fits the vibe you're going for.
And finally, you bring it all home in CapCut. You just pull in your images and the audio file. First, chop out all the little pauses in the voiceover to keep it tight. Then line up your images with what's being said. Throw in some soft background music, make sure it's turned down low, and add some simple fades between the images. Export in 4K, and you're done. Your video's ready to go.
But hold on, a great video is only half the battle. If nobody clicks on it, it doesn't matter how good it is. You absolutely need a thumbnail that grabs people's attention. This is the final and maybe the most crucial piece of the puzzle.
And you've probably guessed it. The process here is just as systematic. You go right back to ChatGPT, give it your video title, and ask for a killer thumbnail prompt. Then you take that prompt, pop it into Whisk, and it generates your final image. Simple, fast, and seriously effective.
So, as you can see, this isn't about getting lucky with one random video. It's about having an efficient, repeatable process. It's about building a content machine.
And that's really the biggest takeaway here. Your first video might take you a little while as you're learning the ropes, but by your 10th, it's going to feel like second nature. This whole thing isn't just a tactic, it's a long-term strategy. Real success on YouTube comes from building systems that let you create quality content over and over again. That's how you get that sweet, sweet compounding growth.
So, now that you've seen the entire blueprint laid out from start to finish, there's really only one question left to ask. What system will you build first?